Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete notification on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram is a great for sharing pictures and videos with our friends and followers. But sometimes, the overbearing notification of every single update can get a little annoying. So here's how to clear or delete your notification on Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on notification, the left heart icon on your Instagram here. You will see the notification on your account, on this account. You can choose the notification that you want to delete. You can tap and hold. Example, I will choose this notification. You can tap and hold. So that will be appear pop-up options like this. You can tap on delete notification. Delete this notification, you can tap on delete. So that notification will be removed from your notification list here. Now you cannot see that notification again, right? You can choose or delete more than one notification. I will choose another like this. You can tap and hold. Now you can tap on delete notification. So that is how to delete notification on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!